love to talk to you in person, but I understand what that can't be. I'll leave you alone for good, I promise. But there's a question I just got to ask. I just wonder, do you ever, baby, ooh, baby, think of me anymore? Do you? First of all, let me say congratulations, baby. Heard that you just had a baby girl. Oh my, if she looks anything like her mother, then she's the prettiest thing in the world. Ooh, swear that I'm not trying to start no trouble. Tell your fiancé he can't chillax. Oh my, I'll leave you alone for good, I promise.